The fifth way looks at the behavior of natural objects. The world is filled with physical objects that follow set patterns. Acorns always turn into oak trees. Water condenses from clouds and turns into rain, and then eventually evaporates back into clouds. Out in space, moons revolve around planets. Planets revolve around larger bodies such as stars. These patterns always hold, and the world and the universe is filled with examples of them. But we know from experience that inanimate, non-living objects don't just follow patterns and achieve goals on their own. A basketball doesn't fly into a hoop unless someone intelligent has aimed the shot and taken it. A dry erase marker doesn't write a sentence on a board unless an intelligent person has guided it to write the sentence. Aquinas takes this logic that we draw from our everyday experience and applies it to the physical objects of the universe and says, this doesn't make sense if there's no intelligence behind it all. The movement and behavior of physical things like acorns or planets, small scale or large scale, shows us that there must be some supreme intelligence, namely God, behind it all, who has built that ability into each of these physical things. In fact, the more we learn about the universe through scientific discovery, the stronger this fifth way becomes. Aquinas had no idea about protons and electrons, but now that we know that they exist, we know that even at this very deep level of reality, there's this pattern, this goal. A proton is always attracted to an electron. Why is that? Why do these physical laws that we've discovered ever obtain in the world? Protons and electrons don't have brains, but they achieve that same goal. Therefore, Aquinas concludes that there must be a supreme intelligence guiding everything. As with the other 5 ways, the natural world alone does not explain itself. There must be some underlying supernatural cause apart from the universe.